Have you ever heard the term buyers buy? Well, today I'm going to share with you a very fast and instant way for you to find buyers through one of the best social media platforms out there to find the highest quality leads and the best leads for you to prospect and talk to in your business. Hey, it's Jesse Eker, and today I want to share with you how you can actually find premium buyers on LinkedIn. Now, I first learned from this from the LinkedIn master. That's one of my clients. His name is Jeff Fagan, and I'll link him up so that you can go ahead and connect with him. He teaches people how to prospect on LinkedIn, but really how to make sure that you're prospecting with the buyers and you get the best results possible. And he's got a full process that I'm going to share a little bit that's going to seriously help you with how you're prospecting or how you're talking to the right people. See, one of the things that we've heard all the time from LinkedIn is it's a slow platform, meaning people don't really check it that often, not compared to Facebook or not compared to Instagram. But the thing is, you're probably talking to the wrong people. See, LinkedIn is one of the only social media platforms that has a paid tier to it, meaning they have free, they have people who actually pay to be on the platform. Now, if they're paying to be on the platform, that shows me two things. Number one, it shows me that they've actually paid, meaning that they're a buyer already. Number two, it means that they're using the platform because they're actually usually paying for it. So today I want to show you exactly how you can do this, how you can make this more effective for you, and how you can streamline this process with a really simple and easy way to use LinkedIn. So let me go ahead and share this with you really fast so that you can see how you can do this. And also then you can thank Jeff for giving us this strategy. Okay, so you can see on my screen right now, this is my LinkedIn. If I go to my LinkedIn, which is my own LinkedIn, I can go to my connections. On my connections, I see all these different people I'm connected to. But then all of a sudden I see this brown thing here, and that brown thing is simply sharing with me that this person is a premium LinkedIn member, meaning they are paying to be a part of it. You can see here, you can see two more here. You could then go through here and you can see another two here. Like they're all over, right? Now, what if you're someone, you got another four here, right? Like we're already going through all of these different people. These are all premium people, right? Amazing. Here, all over. Now, you might be like, well, I'm new to LinkedIn. I don't even know how I don't even have any connections. How can I use this? So what we would want to do is we go to reset here, and we could then go into filters, and it pulls up here and go down to a title, and we use like a keyword, right? So we work with a lot of coaches. Maybe I'm going to put, maybe I just put coach, right? So I put in coach, show results, and I could see first of all that there's 6 million people that have coach in their LinkedIn. Awesome. Now that's one thing, that's one target, but now I want to find buyers. Here's a buyer, here's a buyer, right? I want to keep going. Here's a buyer, right? Now I just start going through this list and looking for buyers, buyer. And so now I've not only identified the people I want to work with, coaches, but I've also identified the buyers and the people that are going to be most likely to get back to me the quickest because I am finding these people who have paid to be on this service. So this is an easy and effective, amazing way. Look at all these people that you can use LinkedIn to find buyers. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, find your premium buyers, and also in the comments say, thank you, Jeff, and go ahead and make sure you connect with Jeff so that he can teach you more about LinkedIn and using his lead generation strategy. I know he's got a special event coming up that I know is going to show you how you can use LinkedIn to get more leads and more sales in your business. Anyways, I thought this was amazing, super insightful, but also a great strategy for you to focus on buying prospects. Talk to you soon, and bye for now.